we are going to determine whether the function f is continuous at 0. In order to do so, we will look at two things. First, we'll look at the value of f at 0, and then we will look at the limit of f as x approaches to 0. So for this one, in order to evaluate the value of f at 0, we look at the equal sign here, and then we see that we're going to use x squared plus 1 expression. So that's going to be 0 squared plus 1, that's equal to 1. Now, in order to evaluate the limit at 0, we have to look at the left and right limits around 0 because our function changes at 0. So let's take a look at the left limit. In this case, we would use x squared plus 1. This limit is 1. So look at the right limit. In this case, we are using the x cubed plus 1 because we're approaching x from the right side. That's x cubed plus 1. But regardless, we get 1 for this. Since these two limits are equal to each other, the limit of f of x as x approaches to 0 is equal to 1. Now we have the same value for the limit and for the function. So we say that the function is continuous. So since f of 0 is equal to the limit as x approaches to 0 of f of x, both of them are 1, the function f is continuous at x equals to 0.